Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see a program that will find out the address of array variables. Now let's go ahead and create an array. In this array I'm going to call this array as num, and let's leave a space like array like this, and I'm going to write the elements in this array. Let's put six numbers, 6 random numbers: 12, 34, 45, 78, 34, and let's put one more, 65. Okay, now we have these elements in this array. Now the location, if you look at the location, num0 is equal to 12 because the array start from the 0. Num0 is 12, num1 is 34, num2 is 45. It goes like that. Okay, that's one thing you have to remember. Now the next thing is I'm going to introduce an integer type of variable, and let's name this one as I. I'm going to use this one for looping. Let's get rid of this one. That's for looping. Let's go ahead and create our loop. I'm going to create a for loop, and I initialize I with 0. Since we have 6 numbers, we have to set a condition. It has to run 6 times, but if I start from 0, I have to put less than 5, less than or equal to 5, because if you start from 0 to 5, it's 6 numbers. Okay, now we have to do the increment I plus plus, and after that, inside of this for loop, I'm going to give a printf statement. The first printf statement we are going to print is element numbers, element number, and I put %d for that, and the element number should come from this I, the looping value. Okay, now the next thing is we are going to print out the address of that element. Printf \n address. To print out the address, we put %u for address, and that's it for this one. And that one should come from the array num, and we put ampersand num I. Okay, now that's it. Now it should print out the address. Let's go ahead and run this one. Something wrong here. Okay, I didn't put a semicolon here. Okay, let's run. I is less than or equal to 5. Okay, let's run this one. Now you can see we have the arrays, like element 0 in this address and element 1 is in this address, and each one consumes 4 bits. For the, like you can see, anything previously until this 90 something, it's same for everything. The last number changed by 4 bits for all of them, right? It's changing by 4 bits. Now if you use this, like if you do this one in computer, you might get 2 bits difference, and that's it. Like you just have to know how to print the address. This is the way, like you have to put %u right here, and that should come from the num array. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. And also if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.